So how to install NumPy and Matplotlib in your system? तो सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है, आपको cmd कमांड रन करनी है एंड ओपन इट एज एन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर. तो हम इसमें लिखेंगे cmd and we will run it as administrator. So now it is open as an administrator, you can see here. Now here you have to write pip command, pip install that your numpy and matplotlib. Matplotlib. See here it is already exist in my system. So here you can see here numpy here and matplotlib. So they are already installed in my system. If not, then it will install. And one thing more, you have to keep your internet connection here open, otherwise this will be missing and you will not be able to work with that. So internet connection would be there and you will install NumPy and Matplotlib like this. So here is the installation of this.